everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. So I know it's been a while since I made another video, but I'm back. I'm back, bitches! I just want to thank you guys for your continuous support and all the views and all the likes on my videos. I'm currently at 1,300 subscribers now. I'm currently trying to get to 2K, so it's a journey, and I want to thank you guys for being here and watching me. So today I'm going to be doing something different on my channel. I'm going to be doing a luxury unboxing. I'm going to be doing a Burberry new season unboxing, and these are the new season sandals that just came out, and I haven't seen anybody do a video on these yet, so I think I'm the first one. I'm going to do a whole unboxing, you know, showing you how I open it and stuff. So this is what the box looks like. This is what it looks like when you open the box. You got your Burberry London tag, Burberry dust bag, this is what they look like. Don't mind my nails, guys, it's time for a refill. But this is what they look like. They have this hard black bottom, and I think these are really cute, and I like the color, the orange, because then I'm thinking like, you know, an orange bathing suit or whatever. I like this is really good quality, and it's a strap like that. You can adjust it. So these are called the Eve webbing sandal, and you could find them at like Nordstrom or any place like that if you Google it. I think they retail for about $650 or like $6 something, close to $7 with tax and everything. It would be like $700. So this is what they look like on my feet. I don't even mention what I got on right now. I don't mind the color contrast, but this is what they look like on feet. This is a size 38, so that's a US 8. And at first I thought they would look big, but I don't think they look that big on my feet. They're kind of heavy, but like not too heavy. And I know I got them on my bed, but these are clean, you know, straight out the box, never worn. Cute. I like this style of sandal. I think it's really different. I think you can wear them in a lot of different ways. So overall, my thoughts and reviews about these Eve webbing sandals, I really like them. These are really my style. This is something that I can really see myself wearing. That's exactly why I got them. And they look really big on camera, but I promise you they don't look that big in real life. I think they're really good quality, and I like this. Oh Jesus. Okay, I like this velcro scrappy thing. Strappy thing. I think these are perfect for the summertime, especially it's about to start getting hot. It's spring right now. The sun is already starting to show out, and the weather is getting nicer. But that's all for this video. I hope you like it. If you want to see more like it, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.